Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about AI video creation using text. Now, have you ever been overwhelmed at times just for the fact that you couldn't create a video the way you wanted to create it, as professionally as you wanted to create it? Whether you didn't have the time to be able to do it, the budget to be able to create a really good video, or actually the skill set to know how to edit and bring your videos to life. Well, guess what? AI has made that really easy, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually harness the power of AI. Two AI platforms here, Chat GPT and InVideo AI, to create really good professional content about you, about your business, about your services and your offerings, in a very professional way. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to be able to craft a great script, great text script that you could put in your InVideo or text-to-video tool to be able to bring out really professional content that will just suit you. Now, let's face it, creating high-quality content is a really daunting task. What you're about to see, if you could go back years ago to be able to do this, you would spend thousands and thousands of dollars to be able to get this output. Now you could just streamline that just with a monthly subscription to get the same quality of video that you would have spent that amount of money for years ago. And AI video is pretty much where it is now. With the power of AI and artificial intelligence content creation just rising there, this is so amazing. You want to take advantage of it. Video still happens to be one of the most engaging formats to reach people out there. So buckle up. You're about to see some exciting stuff that you yourself can do by just simply going to your website, going to your About Us page, putting the content on there, and turn it into a creative video about your business or yourself. Let's dive in. All right, so here we are. So what you are seeing right here is InVideo, which is an amazing software that we personally subscribe to. I personally subscribe to it. And it's amazing because all you need to do, as you can see right here, is give it a topic and it generates a video. And if you're not familiar with it, you're going to see the amazing stuff that it does. And you have our famous Chat GPT that you might have heard of right here. That's just amazing, where you could just go into Chat GPT, put in your prompts, ask it to help you out with some stuff, and it could pretty much do that, help you out with it as much as it can. Now, just so you know, you could actually go in here and then just type in your script right here, and InVideo itself will create the script. But we're going to be creative here. We're actually going to go into ChatGPT because we're going to take content from the website, from our About page, which just mentions what we do. Because at times when you're looking for content to create, a lot of people don't know going to your website is the best place to go grab content that you could repurpose, because a lot of stuff on there is about you. So if I was just like not having a lot of creative ideas right now, or not knowing what to do, and I just wanted to create content, a good place to go again is your website, and then just copy the content on there, go paste it in one of these AI tools, and then repurpose it in there. So this is what you're going to see. We're going to copy all this content here that says we're a digital marketing agency, about BizCrown Media, get ready to grow your brand and business, all this stuff, the research, the strategy, all that stuff we're going to copy, which you can do exactly. And then I'll go into ChatGPT and I'll tell ChatGPT exactly what I want it to do. So here we are in ChatGPT, and I've put it in here. This is the content on the About Us page on our website. I want to use it in a text-to-video AI tool to create a video about our business and what we do. Make it keyword rich for the searches for our business. Here's the content. Create the text-to-video script that I will enter into the video generator. And I'm going to paste all what you saw on the website here right now, and then hit the send button, and let's see what it does. So let me scroll down here. Certainly, here's the keyword rich script for your video. And it gives us all this wonderful information here. But what is going on here? I can't simply copy and paste all this stuff. I still got to streamline it because it has given me the narrator, the visuals, and all that stuff. So I might still need to look at it to make sure that it's giving me exactly what I could put in the AI tool. To do that is very simple. All you need to do is just tell it to remove all that information, because you just want the written text alone. I simply want the written text alone. And here we have it. Welcome to BizCrown Media. There we go. It's now removed all that information that we do not need and turned it into a text that we could simply copy and go into our text-to-video app and paste in there to be able to carry on. And that's it. So all we're going to simply do is just go here and copy and paste it just like that, short and sweet, and then go to our InVideo AI tool to make all the magic happen. So as you can see here, we could go in here and do that. Now, you will notice it says, give me a topic and detailed instructions. We can just go in here and tell it, hey, we want you to stick to the script with this, or you can actually go to the workflows at the bottom here. And as you can see in the workflows, all you need to do is pick the one that you want. So we're going to do script to video because we already have our script. If we did not create the script before and we just wanted to do it in InVideo, we could, but us creating it in Chat GPT just gives us a better leverage to customize it before going in here to make all that magic happen. Because typically when the script is created here, when it's all done, you have to go make all those changes on the back end. So let's do script to video, and I will paste it over here. Now, the good thing too is you have many other ways to also customize it. So you could use a voice, you could add a voice, you could add music to it, which I think is pretty cool. And what's really ultimately cool is that you could use your voice. I have cloned my voice in here, and I'm going to use my voice for this. And this is so cool because if you think about it, if I put the video on the website and people listen to it, they can still hear my voice. The connection is still there. So that's what I think is really cool. So this is how you could customize it in here, make all that magic happen. And once you click continue, you see what it says, create a video using exactly the script. And then you could say, generate a video. And once you do that, you start to see all the magic happening once you're fine with it. So if we click generate video, analyzing, it'll show you exactly how it's doing it, how it's analyzing it. And coming up, you will then be able to customize it again even more, which I think is pretty cool. So here it comes. You'll be able to pick what platform you want it to go to, who your audience is, and just a couple more things there that I just think is really cool, but we will get to see it here soon. Here it is. As you can see, it shows us our audience that we want to pick. Do we want entrepreneurs? Do we want business owners, marketing professionals? In my instance, it's business owners, since we cater mostly to small businesses who need digital marketing strategies. So knowing your audience is important. And this is so cool. It's a marketing tool that gives you the opportunity to target it. Now, the look and feel, do you want it to be professional, inspiring, clean? Because it's about business, we're going to keep it professional. And then what platform do you want it to go to? We will be putting this on YouTube. You can always come back to recreate it for LinkedIn and Facebook, but this will be doing for YouTube. And once you click continue, it starts to render. The rendering part. The good thing about it is it takes not too long, and it kind of tells you exactly what is going on. But this is what we have now. Now that we're done with that, we automatically have our video. It's about 1.5 minutes long. If you play it, you will be able to hear my voice in it. So hold on one second. Are you ready to elevate your brand to new heights? Which is so cool. My voice in that instance over the stock videos.
Welcome to BizCrown Media, your premier destination for digital marketing solutions in the Chicago area. Are you ready to elevate your brand to new heights? Look no further. At BizCrown Media, we're not just a digital marketing agency. We're your partners in success. From comprehensive digital strategies to captivating content creation, we offer a full suite of services to propel your brand forward. What sets us apart? Our commitment to excellence and innovation. We combine creativity with strategy to deliver measurable results for your business. Here's how it works. Research. We start by understanding.
We go. Now, if you want to further edit, this is the good part. You can simply go in here and give it a command and just tell it, change the music, change the voice, make the scene half as long, it's too wordy, wherever you're on, or, this is really cool because you're just editing with words. But if you wanted to edit more, you can actually click the edit button and it'll take you to your chapters and your media. And the sweet thing about it is once you click on your media, you get to see where it is in the script. So if I click branding here, it shows me that are you ready to elevate your brand is where that is covering. It's a 3-second clip. So I think that's so cool. Now, if I wanted to change that and I didn't like it, it's very simple. I could go in here and just let me actually be creative. Just say elevate your brand, copy that. That's what's so cute about this, really cool about this is what I should say. Elevate your brand, and look at that. So I could simply say, I don't like this, and I want to pick something else. And in this instance, I could just pick here, any other clip here, and you see it automatically replaces it still within the same words and characters. And if you don't like that, if you're done with that, you could delete it. The only thing is you can't delete these. You might want to feel that if you click these 3 icons here that you could delete it. You can't. What you can do is adjust the length. As you can see, if I wanted this video to be 5 seconds long, I would just put 5 seconds in there. And depending on the center point of the video where I want it to show, I can also make those adjustments there, which I just think is so phenomenal. Now let's go to discard changes, edit script. So you have to save it. As you noticed, I did not save it after I made those changes. If you don't save it, it does not save. Now, if you wanted to edit the script, you can't change it here. First, something might just tell you, hey, this is where I need to make my changes. No, it doesn't work. You have to go to the edit script here and then make your changes. And anything that you make here, once you do that and I click apply changes, you will see it on the script. I'm not too sure the AI tool will know exactly what to say there. So you would then apply your changes over here if you wanted to change the script. And it goes from chapter to chapter. As you can see, the process overview. So you can make all your changes in the chapters. You can also change your titles, as you can see, which is so cool. And I think another thing that's cool is you get to see the keywords that they use to get the media here. So when the AI tool was processing your footage or looking for the footage, this was the keywords it used. Digital marketing in Chicago, digital marketing agency office in Chicago. So you could simply copy that again and go and paste it, or any one of these phrases, and go and paste them into your edit media if you are not satisfied with what they're showing. So that's another way to go about it. So that's really cool. Now you'll notice some of these clips have the little crown and some don't. Well, that's because the ones with the crown are the premium stock footage, and depending on your subscription, you have a certain amount that you get every month. So we subscribe to this, and so we get a certain amount. When you want to export, which I will show you, it'll tell you the amount of premium or iStock footage is what they call it that you're using. So, but you get only a certain amount. Now, the good thing is if you don't want to exhaust all of them, all you need to do is go over here and again, search for, like, let's say branding over here, go to search and then go pick one that's not a premium stock footage and you would be golden. So let's say you're running out of your premium stock footage. As you can see, these don't have the crown on them. So if you were to pick any of these, if you replaced it, you'll notice that the crown is not here and it does not count against you. What's behind doesn't count against you at all. Like, that's gone at that point. But that's how you can make all those edits. And you can decide that you want to search just the premium stocks or not. And all you do is you simply click in here just to see the regular stock footage. And once you want the premium stock again, you could just simply click that and you will get access to it. But that's how you could do it. Of course, you have to apply your changes or they do not count, but I'm not applying them here. And it's good because it tells you you haven't saved it. You might want to save it, keep editing or discard changes, and you are good to go. So that's how you could make those edits in there, just with words, deleting words, and just telling the AI tool in the command section exactly what you want it to do, whether it's to change the song, make it more vibrant, make scenes more lively. You can actually tell it all that kind of stuff. That is so cool. Now, the beauty of this is when you're done, all you simply do is you go to export. And if you have an account that you're paying for, you can do the no watermarks and all their branding gets to go away. If you are using a free account, you will see all the branding and all that stuff on there, at least for now. The good thing, like I told you, is when you want to export, you will see the amount of premium footages you're using. And as you can see here, this export will use 9 iStock licenses and you have 65 left, which resets in 11 days, which means I have a lot of work to do to be able to use all my stock footage. But that's how you could simply export it. And once you do that, it exports and you just have a button that tells you download and you are good to go and you have your video. Now, you add your files in here, apps library, where you can add your own files that you could use in the videos as well. You just go in the media library and then upload them into there. And then you also have your voices, which is so cool because you could, again, clone your voice and clone as many voices as you want. See, this was the first one I did. I didn't like it. And then I went and cloned the second one, which I actually did enjoy. And I will export this video and actually put it on YouTube so you guys can see the outcome. But that's how you can do all that fun stuff just in InVideo using Chat GPT to create real good content about yourself. So there you have it, guys, a very professional way to create marketing content from your website using AI and being still on brand and on message and talking and marketing yourself without that much creative juices going into it. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video. We do have an affiliate link to InVideo if you're interested in creating content like this without having any limitations. And if you do want to join our AI powered marketing group after you use our link, please let me know and I will be able to put you in there. But I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can always continue to see the helpful content that we put out there just to make life a lot easier. Look out for our AI for Powered Marketing course that's coming out that covers AI for written, art, and video content. I'm already putting clips of it out on our shorts, so look out for it. It's really, really cool. Till next time, take care.